So I ordered a gel net set from Amazon and it got here a few days ago. I haven't opened it and I'm gonna open it here on camera. I'm gonna try to do my nails at home from now on. I wasn't really going to the nail salon anyway, but now that I have my nails pretty long, I want to start doing my nails like in different colors and like different shapes. I ordered this set from Amazon. This is from the brand GAOY or GAOY. I did kind of open the box already and peeked inside, but I haven't used them. So I got this set for $36.99 and it includes 36 nail gel polishes, and then it also includes the glossy and matte top coat, and then it has a base coat, and then it has a nail oil, like a hydrating nail oil. It also comes with the LED light and then like some extra accessories, and I ended up getting the set with like the more neutral colors, but they do have brighter colors in this brand. Of course, I buy this set and I get it, and then I see a post about a girl who started doing her own nail polish at home, her own gel nail polish, and then she got an infection. And I read that post literally the day after I got this set in, and I feel like that's why I haven't done my nails, because I was really excited. So I saw the post on Lemonade. I downloaded the Lemonade app and I really like it. I feel like it's like a perfect mixture between Pinterest and Instagram, but like less intimidating, I think. This is the post that I saw. I mean, you guys are not gonna be able to tell. Oh yeah, you can see. So this is the girl. She was doing her own nails. Basically, she was saying that she got a chemical burn from not curing her nails the proper way, like not long enough. I really didn't know that curing your nails was like a big deal. Apparently it is. I don't know anything about nails. I have to make sure that I follow the instructions to the T and make sure that my nails are cured all the way. But I bought it, I have it, and it's also not the same brand that she used. So I'm just gonna unbox this here. This is how it looks from the inside. I might cut off. It does include some extra accessories. Then it has this first layer, it has like a second layer, and then the last polishes come in this third layer. I also get an LED light, which I really hope that this is strong enough to cure my nails. And I also get some nail charms, like stick-on thingies, and I get the nail gem glue for it. So this is everything that I got. These are all the little accessories extra that it came with. I don't know what these tools are for. Probably for the cuticles, a corta uñas, and then this is what I was talking about. Nail strengthener, UV LED, pure cuticle oil, top coat matte, top coat glossy. Wait, is this just a regular nail polish? Yeah, so this is just a regular nail polish, and then the nail color is on the top. So I think that's the only thing that I wish was different. Like, I wish that it was a little bit easier to see the color, but that's just me. It's not really a big thing. Like I said, the colors that I did end up getting were a more muted set, and actually I ended up getting the jelly set. So these colors are meant to be a little bit more transparent. It's called the mint jelly set. I'll link the exact same one that I bought down below. So these are the colors that I got, like this set. They do have different colors down here. These are the polishes. This picture is just showing how it will look depending on how many layers it has. So like obviously first layer will be a very like sheer, and then the second layer, and then the third layer will be the most like opaque. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna try and do my nails, and I'm just gonna show you guys the process of me doing my nails. So let me just get like my little setup ready and I'll be right back. I face the camera a little bit more down so you guys can see what I'm doing. These are the nail polishes that I ended up choosing. I'm in between this brown one, this green one, or this more like pinkish one. I think I'm leaning more towards brown, this brown one, just because, you know, it's fall, just to get into the spirit of fall. I have my base coat ready here, and I have my top coat ready here as well, and then I have my nail preparation thing here. My cousin was here earlier. She used to do her nails at home. She did give me a few tips, so I'm gonna do what she told me to do. The set didn't include any instructions, so I had to go on the actual website and look at the instructions. First thing first, put on sunscreen. I also shaped my nails earlier, so I try to do like a more of an almond shape. The first step is to shave a little bit off your nail, just a tiny bit, so your nail can have some texture and the gel can get like stuck better. Literally shaving off so little bit, almost nothing, just to create some texture to the nail. So that is how it's looking right now, and I'm gonna be doing that for all of my nails. Let me bring you guys in closer. Okay, I think that's good enough. I mean, I don't know, maybe a little bit more on this one, this side. Okay, I think that's good. I rinsed my hands. It did not say these in the instructions on the website, but my cousin told me to just rinse my hands without any soap. So that's what I did, and I reapplied my sunscreen. I tried not to get it on my nails. And I think I'm gonna go with this pink shade. I think I changed my mind. In case it doesn't look great, this pink one will be like the least noticeable. I have my top coat and my base coat ready here. I probably should have put something underneath just in case I make a mess, but oh well. Okay, so on the website it says to put on a very thin layer of the base coat. This is not the base coat, this is the base coat. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm almost gonna wipe everything off because I want it to be cured all the way through, and I don't want to put on too much. Also, if you're gonna be doing this at home, make sure that you try not to get this on your skin, because I was reading that if it did get on the skin and then it dried down, it was just gonna peel off in one big piece. So I did a very thin layer of the base coat, and now I'm gonna cure my nails for 60 seconds because that's what it says online. My nails cured for 60 seconds. I thought that this was supposed to dry down like completely. Like I thought that it was supposed to be, you know, not sticky to the touch, but apparently it's supposed to be sticky. So if it looks like it's not dry, don't touch it, don't mess with it, just leave it how it is and put on your first layer of nail polish, because that's something that I didn't read online. It just says to cure it, and I thought that meant that it dried all the way, and it does not. So I'm gonna do a very thin layer of the polish. Oh, I already got it on my finger. Great. This is how it looks with that first layer. Okay, I'm gonna cure it before I say anything else. This is how it looks after curing them. I want to touch them so bad, but I am not because I don't want to ruin them. I'm gonna do a second layer and then I'm gonna cure them again. I think I'm gonna do 2 layers only. This is the second layer after curing the nails. It did get a little bit more color with that second layer. Oh my god, I am really loving this color. I don't know if I should do a third layer or if I should just leave it like this. Okay, I'm gonna do a third layer just, you know, just to do it. And then this one I think I'm gonna do a little bit thinner. Like I said earlier, this nail polish is supposed to be a very sheer. They're never gonna look like super opaque. This is how it looks after curing it on the third layer. Definitely a little bit more of color in there, but I really am loving the way it looks so natural. Last step, of course, you cannot forget the top coat. So the top coat, I'm just doing a thin layer for all of these. The top coat that I used was the glossy top coat, but it also included a matte top coat, which I am very intrigued to use that one, but I just wanted like a simple glossy look today. I'm gonna cure this. Okay, so this is how they look after I cured the top coat. Moment of truth. I'm gonna touch them and see if they dried down all the way through. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, let's see. They're dry. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that this actually worked. Oops. So they did dry all the way through. They don't feel sticky. Oops. Wait, never mind. This side right here from my thumb is a little bit thick. I'm just gonna cure this for 30 more seconds. Okay, so I put in my hand like this because when I was putting in my hand like this little part from my thumb did not cure all the way through. It did still feel a little bit sticky, so I put my hand like this way and hopefully it got this part. Yes, it did. I love this color. I'm so happy that I did go with this like more pinkish nude. They're not perfect. I'll show you guys a little bit more close up when I'm done with this hand. I'm gonna do this hand off camera just because my camera is dying and I'm gonna charge it while I do my hand, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the end result. Okay, so I finished doing my second hand. This is how they look. I really love the color, and I think jelly nails is a perfect description of what these are because they look like jelly. Like they look very like sheer and transparent and like girly. Yeah, I'm so happy with them. I think for my first time I did an okay job. From far away they look great. I think they look really pretty. Of course, if you look closer, there is imperfections, if you will. One thing that I didn't do, that I completely forgot to do, that my cousin told me to do but I forgot, was push down the cuticles, and I did get the tool for it but I forgot to do it. So that's one thing that I didn't do. This hand was also harder to do because, you know, this is the hand that I use. So, and I think that I might have accidentally just done thicker layers with this one. I don't know why. Like this hand looks a little bit thicker than this hand. I don't know. I was still being careful, but for some reason I feel like these look thicker than this one. It wasn't as hard as I thought that it was going to be. For my first time, I think I did an okay job. Now I'm just gonna see how long they last. It did say that they can last up to 4 weeks depending if you did it right, you know? So I feel like there's other things that I should be saying, but I really don't know what else to say besides I mean, it wasn't as hard as I thought that it was going to be. Definitely make sure that you cure your nails all the way through. This one does have like 90 seconds, 60 seconds, or 30 seconds choice. I was doing 60 seconds each time, but at the end when I put on my top coat, I did do the 90 seconds just because I wanted to make sure that everything was like stuck together. I think it took me about an hour to do both of my hands, but if I wasn't like filming and I was, you know, just doing my nails without stopping, I think it would have taken me like 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna link the exact same one that I bought down below, but do check out the other colors that they have because they do have so many colors, and they do have sets with less nail polishes if you don't want like the whole thing like I did. So yeah, I think that's everything that I had to say. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.